If you're a photographer or photo editor, you've likely heard of Adobe Lightroom, a powerful industry-standard tool for managing and editing photos. But despite its reputation, Lightroom isn't the perfect fit for everyone, whether you're just starting out or you've been editing professionally for years. The subscription-based pricing, steep learning curve, and resource-heavy performance can make Lightroom feel more like a burden than a solution. The thing is, you might be someone who prefers a completely free photo editing software, or a one-time payment over ongoing subscription fees, or maybe you're frustrated by recent changes to Adobe's terms of service and policies. On top of that, Lightroom's slower catalog system and unchanged interface can feel outdated when compared to some of the fresher, more efficient free alternatives in today's market. From apps with lightning-fast performance to those that offer stunning raw processing and simpler disk-based file management, the best Lightroom alternatives on the market today don't just match Lightroom in performance, they outperform it. In this video, we'll walk you through the best Lightroom alternatives available, breaking down their unique features and how they can help boost your craft and creativity. So, stick around to find the perfect tool tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these tools for free. If you sign up using the link below, you will also get amazing discounts on pricing if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan on any of the alternatives. Without further ado, here are the top 5 best Lightroom alternatives currently available on the market right now. Number 5. Darktable. Best for advanced raw photo editing with full manual control and precision. If you're just diving into the world of photo editing and looking for a powerful, open-source, completely free alternative to Adobe Lightroom, Darktable should absolutely be on your radar. Designed for photographers who value full control over their workflow, Darktable is a non-destructive RAW developer that puts a professional-grade toolkit right at your fingertips for free. Right from the start, you will love the Darktable Darkroom mode, where you'll do most of your editing, like adjusting exposure, contrast, shadows and highlights, and much more. For example, if you're dealing with a high dynamic range landscape shot, the Tone Equalizer module allows you to bring out detail in both the skies and the darker foreground, without creating unnatural halos or artifacts, making your edits feel organic and balanced. Another powerful functionality you'll find indispensable is the masking system. Darktable supports parametric and drawn masks, allowing you to isolate specific areas of an image with surgical precision. Say you're editing a portrait, you can apply localized sharpening to just the eyes using an ellipse mask, while keeping the skin tones soft and natural. Combined with the Color Zones module, which lets you remap specific color ranges in nuanced ways, you get an incredible level of control over your edits without touching global settings. Additionally, Darktable features a highly modular interface, meaning you can hide or reveal modules based on your editing style. If you're focused primarily on black and white work, for instance, you can prioritize grayscale, channel mixing, and contrast modules, streamlining your creative process. Darktable also caters to different types of users through flexible workflow plans. Beginners can stick to the default module order and basic corrections for a smoother learning curve, while advanced users might prefer to customize the processing pipeline and module stack to match their shooting and editing styles. With support for GPU acceleration, Darktable ensures performance remains snappy, even when you're editing large batches of high-resolution RAW files. Number 4. Fixthephoto. Best for fast hands-off professional photo retouching. For those seeking a hands-off yet professional approach to photo editing, Fixthephoto stands out as one of the most efficient Lightroom alternatives, especially if you value time and consistency over manual tweaking, rather than installing complex software and learning countless editing tools. You simply upload your photos and let a team of expert retouchers handle everything. One of the Fixthephoto's biggest strengths is its portrait and beauty retouching service, a great tool for editing wedding, fashion, or portrait photos. For example, you can send in a bridal shoot and get back images with flawless skin retouching, color correction, and natural lighting enhancements, all without the over-processed look that many automated tools tend to produce. Another key functionality of Fixthephoto is its real estate and product photo editing services. If you're into real estate photography, you know how crucial perfect lighting, alignment, and sky replacement can be for listing appeal. For e-commerce sellers, the background removal and object retouching services are a game changer. Say you're uploading product shots for Amazon or Shopify. You can request pure white backgrounds, shadow enhancement, and color correction to meet marketplace standards, saving your hours of manual editing without sacrificing quality. Number 3. Colorcinch. Best for artistic filters, effects, and photo transformation. Tailored for creators who want fast, professional-looking edits without diving deep into technical tools or massive software suites, Colorcinch's web-based photo editing and blend of simplicity with surprising creative depth make it a tool you'll want to explore. Whether you're tweaking exposure on a travel shot or applying light color corrections to a portrait, Colorcinch keeps everything accessible through its sliders and one-click tools, with no installation or learning curve required. One of Colorcinch's standout features is its artistic filters and AI-powered effects. You can instantly turn your images into cartoons, pencil sketches, or digital paintings with just a click. Additionally, Colorcinch offers a strong set of essential editing tools, including cropping, brightness and contrast, color balance, and curves, giving you more granular control when you need it. There's also the layer support feature, which allows you to work with overlays, graphics, and text independently when you are building composite images or adding branding elements like logos and watermarks. In terms of pricings, Colorcinch offers both a free version and a premium subscription model. The free plan gives you access to basic editing tools and a decent collection of filters, while the premium plan unlocks high-resolution export options, full access to effects, and advanced editing modules like curves and vibrance. Number 2. Movavi. Best for AI background removal and fast subject isolation. Designed for creatives who want fast edits without the technical depth of Adobe's ecosystem, Movavi's balance between simplicity and powerful editing makes it an indispensable Lightroom alternative you will want in your creative toolkit. Right from the start, you'll appreciate the Movavi AI-powered background removal, which lets you isolate subjects cleanly with just a few clicks. The tool intelligently detects outlines, saving you the hassle of tedious manual selections that Lightroom doesn't offer natively without plugins or brushes. Another standout feature is Movavi's AI restoration and enhancement tools, if you're working with older or damaged photos. The Movavi AI image restoration module helps reduce scratches, noise, and blur automatically. This is particularly useful for family photo projects or historical archives, where clarity and preservation matter. Beginners can even use the Movavi color correction tools like saturation, contrast, white balance, and live preview to produce professional-looking edits even on their first try. In addition, Movavi offers advanced yet easy-to-use object removal, which is ideal when you need to clean up distracting elements from a travel photo or remove photobombers from portraits. Unlike Lightroom, which requires masking and spot healing with more manual effort, Movavi streamlines the process with AI-assisted precision. Number 1. Luminar Neo. Best for AI-powered photo editing, effects, and photo enhancement. Suppose you want a photo editor that combines AI innovation with deep creative control. Luminar Neo's hybrid approach to photo editing is designed to enhance your workflow without overwhelming you. One of Luminar Neo's headline features is its AI Enhance, which intelligently adjusts contrast, exposure, color, and detail with a single slider. This is incredibly useful when you're batch editing travel photos or social content and want to speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality. The real magic lies in how the tool understands the content of your image, like making skies more vivid, faces brighter, and details sharper, all in one go. Another powerful tool you'll appreciate is the Sky AI feature, which allows you to replace skies with just one click, automatically adjusting the lighting and reflections in the entire photo to match. For landscape and real estate photographers, this can completely transform an overcast shot into a vibrant sunset scene without hours of masking and adjustments. You can even use the Portrait Bokeh AI tool to mimic the shallow depth of field effect typically seen in DSLR shots, which is great if you're editing portraits or product images and want that professional background blurred finish. Plus, the Structure AI intelligently boosts contrast and detail in areas that need it, without over-processing skin tones or smooth surfaces, making it perfect for architectural and nature photography. So if you're transitioning away from Lightroom and want a tool that's both artistically empowering and workflow efficient, Luminar Neo automates your editing processes without taking away creative control, making it the most compelling Lightroom alternative in today's market. In conclusion, choosing the best Lightroom alternative really comes down to what you need as a photographer or editor. Whether you're drawn to the power and flexibility of Darktable, the hands-off efficiency of Fixthephoto, the creative simplicity of Colorcinch, the beginner-friendly AI tools in Movavi, or the intelligent automation in Skylum Luminar Neo, there's an ideal fit out there for you. This means you don't have to settle for Lightroom's subscription model, sluggish workflow, or limited control, as these alternatives offer you better performance, easier learning curves, and tools that respects your creative freedom. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these Lightroom alternatives for free and also get amazing discounts on pricing if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.